Hey friends, welcome back. Yet again, we are on a final test drive before I let my baby go and deliver the vehicle to the client. Today, we are in a Icon BR. So that is a lovingly restored and highly modified 1972 Ford Bronco. This is Icon BR number 73. And it is built in the ever so popular old school design package. So we've been doing a lot of blues lately. It seems to be 2020 is a blue year for more than one reason. And it's not the same one you've seen us do before, but it certainly was inspired by it. So this is like a super nice, bright, retro blue. We're running the shiny Ranger trim option, as well as the bright work trim option for all window glass and the front door surround panel trim details. And then the only thing that defines it as an Icon on the outside is the subtle Icon script badge on the front fenders. And I designed those to take the original implied font language from the Ford Bronco script and just wrote it as Icon. This one also has the optional old school tire carrier. So that again takes advantage of some of the engineering collateral from the new school bumper, but then reconfigures it in a manner that we have a lateral brace that strengthens the rear of the truck, the whole chassis, that fits behind the stock chrome bumper, which we laser cut a couple profiles out of to allow us to then in turn fit the pivot carrier shaft, the little ramp thingamajigger that holds it open at 90 degrees, and then of course the latch on the face. On the interior, you may remember this super cool upholstery. We used this fabric on another truck last year, and this client really loved it, so we scrounged up just enough of it to be able to do it again. And then this time, however, instead of leather, we did the Douglas Aircraft three-way stretch vinyl. So it's super soft and has a really good tactile feel to it. We have the optional seat heaters in the front seats, and we have the optional tuck and tumble removable bench seat for two in the rear. But then on the door panels on this one, of course, are the old school. So we have that material wrapping the otherwise what would have been just the plastic armrest, which is kind of iffy. And then of course the lit spears. Those lit spears are chrome plated aluminum. They have two stages of light output. So one comes on at a lower output at night when you're driving, just to give you a little bit of interior mood lighting, which is kind of cool. And then a higher output that comes on in concert with the dome light. On the audio system on this truck, client request, we modified the double-din housing in our new center console, but we did a Bluetooth dedicated audio system. So everything is directly through your phone via Bluetooth, and then that signal feeds into a digital sound processor, which gives you really nice control of all your audio levels and outputs. So you have two simple knobs here. One is your primary system excite that turns the amp on and excites the Bluetooth signal and controls volume. And then the second knob allows you to independently control your bass circuit volume. Headliner is the moon gray, the lighter gray Alcantara, which really works well with the old school, as well as the parchment sun visors, because man, as much as I love the new school visors, they just are too new school. They just don't look right in these. We also built this truck not only with the removable factory hardtop, but we also built it with the full-length bikini top. So took it out, grabbed a couple photos of it with the bikini top on to share with y'all before bringing it back to do final assembly with the hardtop. Oh, one other cool detail, the rearview mirror, you more astute viewers may notice, is not the normal one. That again is a client request, so it does have that auto dimming feature that our usual one has, but this one also has home link to control multiple garage doors. Of course, the Coyote 5-liter aluminum fuel injected Mustang GT sourced V8 automatic Ford tranny with overdrive, Atlas 2, twin stick, shift on the fly, part-time four-wheel drive, 2-speed transfer case, Icon Brembo sport brakes, hydro boosted, Curry axles based on Dana 60 in the rear, 44 in the front, ARB locking differentials, Fox Racing Eibach component based coilover adjustable Icon Sport suspension. So there you go. Any questions, reach out, old school 818-280-3333. Facebook or Instagram, Icon4X4, and the good old-fashioned website, Icon4X4. That's all I got. See ya.